All right, we back. Yeah, that was weird. Yeah, normally, like, I have the waiting screen to fix these bugs, but like, I don't know, for some reason when I moved something in my Streamlabs, it like made the whole thing disappear, so I couldn't even see anything. But now it's fine, so that's good. Yeah. Anyway, so part 10 of building a Yippee mobile game. We started on the shop, redesigned it, and got some like in-app purchase kind of view showing. Yeah, so that's been pretty good. We'll continue on that today. Yeah, and actually I did a little bit of stuff off stream, not too much, but I'll show you what I changed. But yeah, let's get into it, shall we? Yeah, so here's where we are. I did change the shop view look, at least like this part here off stream, because there was some weird thing where it wasn't like scrolling, so I had to basically change this to be like this. Actually, I changed it here, like to be this button. I tried a lot of stuff. You can see I was trying to get like the tap to work and the scroll at the same time, but it wasn't really doable. So I had to resort to using this UI view subclass of UI button, because yeah, you can't do it in Swift UI. It's like actually impossible. So yeah, so I'm doing this kind of like weird stuff, but the problem I'm having is like the rubies in the center. I want it to be on the right. Yeah, maybe I'll fix that this stream, but I was actually thinking probably to go start doing this upgrades tab. So I think that'll be a better approach. But yeah, this has been updated. So I'll show you what I had last time for this, actually. Let me just pull it up in my GIMP. Yeah, so if I show where art thou, GIMP? Yes, here we go. Here's what I had last time. As you can see, side-by-side comparison. Yeah, we had like these kind of weird like dark yellow rows, but now they're like clickable buttons. Yeah, you see that the one thing we need to fix is getting the ruby on the side. Oh, welcome, Sputnik. Yeah, we're working on a shop for our mobile game. Yeah, it should be pretty good. We've got like different tabs going on here. So like one will be like you can buy gems in the shop, and then another will be like buying upgrades for like your weapon, and then you can get skins too. So those will be kind of like the 3 tabs. But yeah, we're pretty close to finishing this like in-app purchase kind of UI, but then we'll get to the upgrades tab this stream. I think that'll be pretty good. But yeah, so that's kind of like the changes I made off stream, like this button changed to be more like it looks nicer, I think. And you can actually scroll now. That was kind of the main reason for doing that. But yeah, so that's pretty good. Yeah, let's get into this kind of upgrades view. So this will be the gems view, but we're kind of showing the same gems view for all of them. I want to make it like a upgrades view, so that'll be good. But yeah, so for that, I'm thinking of making a separate class for this. I'll call it like upgrades view, and of course I'll make the preview orientation to landscape left. Yes, that will be good. Oh, looks like it doesn't like our upgrades view. Wait, what's failing here? Let me do some diagnosing. Failed to find... Okay. Maybe I just need to switch my simulator. Go to the phone and back. Oh no, okay. If I clean this build, perhaps then, and I redo this thing. Let's see, will it... Okay, yeah, that was weird. I just had to do some like clean build. Yeah, sometimes it does that, but we know how to fix it. So that's the important thing. Yeah, also let me get my alerts up just in case. I don't want to miss anything. Let me do that. Yes. That will be good. Cool. Yeah. Also, I need to link the Yippee for the context. Here's the context for Yippee. Here we go. I'll pin this. There we go. There's the Yippee context for like the little creature that we're building our app based around. Yeah, let's build an upgrades view, huh? That'll be good. So for this, what I'm thinking on having is a vertical scroll view. So, let's do, let's see, what's this? So, we want scroll view. I think it's a direction that we need. Let's see. I think it was in here I had an example of one. Oh, you just put like dot vertical, okay. Yeah, this one will put dot vertical. So now we've got like a scroll view. So that'll be for like our base for this upgrades view. And here we'll have two, I guess like sub upgrades. I don't know how to describe it. This is like our main upgrades view. I guess we can have like a choose upgrade weapon view or something. Or like weapon view. Yeah. Or maybe select upgrade view, that might be a better name. I think that will be good. So we'll call this like select weapon view for our upgrades. Yes, I think that will be good. And then we need to rename this. Ooh. Typing is hard. Select weapon view. And then I'll put you here. There we go. Now we'll make this landscape. So orientation, landscape left. Yes, that will be good. And now here's where we're gonna do like our kind of sub view. So yeah, I think here we'll have like for our select weapon view, we'll have like an image for what our weapon is, and we'll have I guess like some bars showing like how much to upgrade it by. So yeah, I think that'll be pretty good. Yeah, also let me move this a little bit. See if I can adjust it appropriately. Is this good? Like this. Yeah. Oh, I guess I don't have my console. Yeah, I normally have this showing. Yeah, okay. I think we're good. Alright. So, yeah, we'll have an image here. So like var image, or like weapon image will be a UI image. Or maybe we can do like a string actually. Or weapon image URL. Or image name will be a string. And then we can pass this. We can say sword to begin with. And now we can have something like this image. Weapon image name. Cool. And now, what will we do? So, yeah, this needs to be smaller. So, resizable. And then frame, I suppose we can pass like a frame for our kind of subview. It's like var select weapon view size. And then, yeah, I guess we can pass this in here. A CG size. And we'll say UI screen main bounds dot width divided by 1.3 or something. And we'll do the same for the height. And then we'll say this is based off of the size. So width will be select weapon view size dot width divided by 2. And height will be select weapon view size dot height divided by 2. Okay. I think that's a little better. Yeah, I wonder then. I also want to have text below this saying like that it's whatchamacallit, like what the name of the weapon is. So we need a V stack for that. Yeah. So we'll pass like a weapon name. Var. Actually, maybe we can just use the image weapon name. So we'll say weapon image name sword. And then we need to set some styles. So font style, or font weight actually, semi-bold. Font will be system, and we'll pass a size. Yeah, I guess we can hard code this. Yeah. Alright. And then I want to put like a kind of a meter kind of below it or something. Actually, let me put the name on top. I think that would make more sense. And then make it bigger. And make this spacing 0. Yeah, this is like 60. Or 50. Yeah, okay. And then I want to do like a bunch of upgrade bars showing like how much damage it does or something. Yeah, I guess so. So, how do I want to go about this? I could say like damage and then like have indicators. I think I could do that. So like text, damage, and then or like power maybe? Power. Yeah. I feel like the sword should be a bit smaller. So we'll do this divided by 3 maybe. Yeah. And then I guess yeah, we can do this again. Make this like 20. And then I need some images here. So we'll do this. We'll have a 4 each. And oh, because I need data here. Okay. I can say this. Struct weapon details. I can say var power is an int, and then var name, I guess, is a string. Yeah. And now we can do, we can make this identifiable, I guess, and hashable. And let ID equals UUID to make it identifiable. Now we can do this for each. And then we can pass in, actually we'll need a variable here for weapon details. Let weapon details equals array of weapon details, power of the, whatchamacallit, the stick will be 1, and then for the sword it'll be 2. And then maybe we'll have something for like 3, but I'm not actually sure yet. Yeah, now we can do this weapon details. We can pass ID, which is ./ID. Can pass in weapon in, and then we can do this, I think. So, actually, I don't want to do this here. But I want to make like a copy of each view. Like I want to have like 3 rectangles here, and make it so that like if the power is 1, then the first rectangle is like green, and if it's 2, the first 2 are green. You know, kind of like that. Yeah. So how would I do that? I feel like a for each would make sense. And we would need weapon details. How do I... Copy view several times Swift UI. I think I'll just have to like do this manually. So we could say a struct, could have a subview called like power rectangle, and we'll call this a view of our body. This will be a rounded rectangle with the fill determined by a parameter. So yeah, we'll say I suppose we'll say var fill color is a color, the fill color, and then I guess we also need a rounded like corner radius. This will be, we can say 20 for the beginning. Yeah. I wonder if we really even need this then. This is pretty self-contained. Yeah, maybe I can just do this then. Oh, looks like... Oh, we need a fill color, so this should be green. I'll just make them all green for now. Oh, and it... okay. It made both of them. I suppose because we have the for each here. Yeah, I don't necessarily want to... how do I go about this? I suppose, okay, I'll do this. Var power is an int. And I'll take this out. Yeah, all of this actually. Yeah. I'll just put this... yeah, I guess... Actually, I'll keep this, but I'll move it outside to our upgrades view. I think that's where it belongs. And I'll just move this here. Yes. We'll do some moving around of the things. Indeed. Now it's looking for weapon details, but we're not going to pass any. Instead, what we're going to do is, here's what we're going to do. Multiple thingies, okay. Here's what we'll do. Yeah, also that should be much smaller. Let's see. I can put a frame around the whole thing. I can put an H stack for these. And then make this whole thing a certain frame, which is select, or width will be select weapon view size dot width divided by 3. Height will be select weapon view size dot height divided by 3, I suppose. And the height should be even smaller, like half this. Alright. Yeah. And now we'll pass in var power as an int. Now we need to pass in power here. Power, we'll say for the sword, is 2. So what this means is, we'll say power is greater than... I guess this will always be green, right? Oh, then this one we say power greater than 1. If that's true, then this is green. Otherwise, it's gray. And then power greater than 2, then we'll say green or gray. Alright, something like that is what I'm thinking. Also, we need some more spacing between the sword and this H stack. So, yeah, it's because we have 0 spacing here. Let's give it default spacing. Okay. I'm not sure I'm a big fan of that. Here's what I can do. I can keep this spacing of 0, but I can put padding around the sword. Yes. Okay, maybe padding just on the bottom. Like 20 padding. Or 10. I think 15. Okay, I'm okay with this. And the power needs to be bigger. So let's make this 40. Yeah. And then I want to give this a background, but actually, how do I want to do this? I guess I can keep, I think this is fine actually. And then, let's see. So we'll do in our upgrades view, we'll have, instead of scroll view with text, we'll do some select weapon views. And actually we'll do a for each. Oh wow, it already populated a lot of stuff. So weapon details, ID is ID. I don't know if we need this actually. If we really need that identifiable. Oh, we do. Okay. And then, yeah, I suppose we can say this is detail.power. Or I guess like weapon detail. Weapon image name dot name. And then our size will determine. So this will be based off of, are we passing our shop view a size? We're not. Or not our shop view, our shop tab view. I think. Okay, so this is shop view. And then where's our switch statement? Alright, we have a switch somewhere here. Shop tab view? Ah, yeah, here we go. Yeah, we are passing this a size. Our gems view, that was. What is this then? Oh, that's our overarching shop view, and then we have a sub tab view. Gems view. Okay. Alright. I kind of want to put this here then. Alright. And what are we missing? Yes, so we'll have a size here. So let's pass that in. Var upgrades view size. And we just pass this in here. But now I need to pass it in here. So yeah, this is good. Now we'll say UI screen dot main dot bounds dot width, and then height. All right. Oh, we've got our stick here too. Yeah, and see now it's like power levels 1 and 2. Also, I don't like that scroll view indicator in there. Gonna get rid of that. Scroll indicators, never. No thanks. Alright. Yeah. So I kind of want this whole view to be smaller. So actually, let me test something first. And actually, I also want this to have a background. So let me do background. Do a rounded rectangle. A fill of maybe a constants dot colors dot dark yellow. And corner radius of 20 or something. And I guess we'll put padding on this. Oh, I need... okay. Then I'll put padding here. Alright. Okay. I guess I kind of want to customize the height and width of the weapon in the middle. I don't want them to all be the same size. So... oh, right, because I did this. Okay. Maybe I can pass in a size here. Var weapon size. And now I can say this weapon detail dot size. Oh, but then it doesn't make it hashable. Oh, really? What if I take out hashable? Does it need to conform? Let's see. Weapon detail, something, something. Oh, but then okay. Hmm. If I want to pass in a size there, I can't really do that. Okay. I'll just have to do like some weird switch or something. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of awkward. Let me think. So, let's think. Okay, I'll just do the switch then. Switch on weapon detail dot name. Or actually, that'll have to be... Yeah, that's here. Case, stick. And then... default for the sword. Or we'll do case sword, because I'm planning on doing another weapon. But default will be actually I should say sword. And then yeah, I guess we'll oh, what's it doing? Let's see. So we need to move this in here. Yes. I think I'll just do this. Let's do this for now. That should fix that. Now I'll just change the size of the weapon based on the case that we're on. So let's make this a different width. Let's say upgrades view size dot width divided by 2, and upgrades view size height divided by 2 as well. See, now our stick is smaller. Oh, but then the whole thing becomes smaller. I guess we'll fix that later. But let's change this. Yeah, our sword here is too thick. So let's change that too. So, okay, wait, actually, I kind of like this size, like this default size for them. But I do want the rectangle to be bigger, because it's making these like little power rectangles too small. Unless I just decrease the corner radius on them. I could do that. Yeah, so what if I go here and I just change this to be like 10? Then it should look nicer here. A little bit, I think so. I think I'm okay with this. Yeah, in that case, if I just use the same size for them, then I don't need this switch statement. I'll just comment this out for now then. And I'll just put this in here. Oh, I think I forgot to... Okay, yeah. Alright, this is nice. Now let's see what this looks like if I plug this into our overall shop view. Or here's our like shop tab view. Yeah, so I need to put it here, like in upgrades. So we'll make another case. We'll put that here, case upgrades, and pass in a size. I guess I can do the same size as we're doing here, maybe. Let's see. So, what does that look like? Oh, that's too big. Okay. Looks like we need to make it a bit... we need to make it wider and less tall. But this should be like scrolling too. Yeah, that's alright. But yeah, looks like our size is a bit too big. So let's make this like half the height. Yeah, and then the width. Oh wait, actually, that didn't really change. That changed what was inside the box, but not the actual box itself. And actually, I'm gonna set this to our default so it's easier for debugging. Otherwise, we have to like change the tab every time. But okay, so how do I make this smaller? Let me think. So, okay, what is this inside view? So that's like this. So this is the rectangle. This is the yellow rectangle in the back, and then this is like kind of what's on top of it. Yeah. I suppose I could set like I could force a frame on this. Like, I could do, I guess, whatever content size dot width divided by 2, and then height. Oh, that didn't even change anything. Okay. Oh, I think because we're overriding it somewhere. Maybe. Yeah, are we using this size? Let me see. Let's see. So how are we using this? Select weapon view size. Yeah, we are using it here. And then that's going down. This is like propagating to here. And then, okay, we're setting the frame of this. Okay. So how big is this whole thing? That's okay. Yeah, I think that's fine. Or is it? Or is it? Thinking emoji. Thinking emoji indeed. Is that a good size? Let's see. So, I feel like I need to set the size on this explicitly. Like instead of putting it here, I feel like doing it here. It's like, yeah, I would set like the width here and the height here. And then now it's like forced on the whole view. Yeah. Or actually, okay. We would need a height for this. Yeah. Or let's see, what did that do? Let me see. It just put them together. But yeah, okay, so maybe not this. Yeah, I feel like I'm not putting a frame somewhere I need to. Let's see. How do I like force this whole thing to be a certain size? Yeah, because right now, okay, so upgrades view is like going kind of beyond our thingamajig. So let me comment this out first. I think that's our background. Okay. Let's see. So this is on skins. Let me force a frame here. So this will be content size dot width, and then content size dot height. Oh, okay. I think that's, yeah. So now we just like force what's inside the content view to be the same size as like the yellow rectangle. At least like in width and height. But yeah, this width is still, I want it to be kind of wider. So these like little power rectangles aren't so small. Yeah, so I think I'll change that. And then, yeah, I think I can do that here, actually. So maybe I can say this is like divided by 1 or something. Yeah, I feel like it's having a weird time with this like frame on this. And then I'm also setting size like here. Yeah, but I think this is actually, is this a good width? I want it also not to be like exactly the same height. Maybe like some padding around this. Can I do that? Like, yeah. So it's not like touching the top, like, necessarily. Yeah, okay. So I think that's okay. I also wanted to have like a button for like buying it, I guess. Yeah, I think so. I think so. Actually, no, I'm just realizing I kind of wanted like the UI to have like arrows to swap between the different weapons. Yeah, I didn't really want to put it in a scroll view. Yeah, I didn't design the UI before I built the app. So it's like it's all off cuff. Yeah, okay. Yeah, in that case, I don't really want this scroll view because I don't want like both of them to show up. I kind of want like you can buy the stick and then you can press like a little triangle to go to the next weapon, which will be like one power up, which will be the sword. You can kind of like swap between them. So I think something like that might look nice. But yeah, I don't really want a scroll view actually. So, I guess for that, and I also want this, this box here to kind of take up the whole yellow rectangle, not kind of be like it's only taking like 1/3 or something right now. Yeah, so I'll change that too. Yeah, so let's first fix the scroll view thing. I don't really want a scroll view there. Yeah, so I think I'm doing that here. Yeah, I'm putting this here and I'm doing like a for each. So, I guess I don't even need the for each either, because I'm not gonna be scrolling anything. Yeah, let me do this. I guess I don't need this switch either, so I can delete all this. Yeah, the bad stuff about not planning out UI before this end up like going back and deleting stuff, but at least I got to see what it looks like, and then I'm like, I make a decision there. I'm like, oh, this doesn't look nice, so let's do it a different way, which is fine, I think. Yeah, so I guess if I'm gonna be doing that, then let's think. I still want this array to tell us what weapon we're on. And then like a little triangle to choose between different weapons. So, yeah, let me think. So, okay. Do I still want the for each? I don't think so, because I want to like hide the different views. Yeah. So, and also there's a different kind of view that I kind of wanted to maybe explore for this. It's called like a snap carousel. Well, let me show that. I kind of wanted to try that. I forgot I was gonna maybe do that for this. But yeah, that could work too. So let me see. Let me show that view. Wherever it be. I have a Chrome tab open with it. But let me just get that. Yeah, okay, here we go. Yeah, here's kind of what I maybe wanted to do for this. Like something like this. It's called like snap carousel. So like, maybe instead of having like all the weapon types, like kind of vertically scrolling, I could have like maybe horizontally scrolling and like show different ones. I wanted to do this for the skins, but for the weapons, I don't know. Maybe for the weapons too. But yeah, that could be cool. Yeah, so let's see what this guy says about it. So, let's see, carousels. Yeah, it's a very common. Yeah, you see it in like different popular apps. So, yeah, so we could have done like a horizontal scroller for this, but then it doesn't like snap or do like make the view smaller. Let's see. So they use. Oh, they tried this. It was a lot of math. H stack center line. Let's just see the code. Why not? Let's just skip the reading. I don't like reading. Brain not good at reading. Let's see. So doing this offset stuff. They use a drag gesture. And then they calculate the screen drag and then show the thing based on the thing with these offsets. Okay. Let me see. So, okay. Calculate offset. They have an H stack, and then they determine the offset based off of this. And then they have this array of items. What is this items? Let's see. Where is items? Also, these are all images. I can't copy the code. I have to like type it out. Yeah, okay. Total canvas width, X offset to shift. Card width. Yeah, this is the main thing I want. I want like kind of like snapping, I think. Yeah, I think that would be cool. And then, okay. I want to see all these variable names. So this is total canvas width, X offset to shift. And is that like in the final one here? Total variable width, X offset to shift. Okay, yeah, it's here. So I need to define those variables like on top of this. They also have UI state active card. Do I really need that UI state? Where are they defining that? Let's see. Whatever. Wait, let me actually test in our code. Is there like a UI state? I'm gonna check. UI state dot. I don't think so. I'm gonna have to do some more exploring into this. Let's see. So, yeah, that's always a problem with Swift UI. It's like, it makes making UI very quick, but at the cost of not supporting very detailed things. So you gotta do like weird stuff like this. Yeah, let me just like, I guess I can start on this. But yeah, I'm not sure what this like items is they had. Like, what is this items? It's like an array of views or something. Let me see. I'm gonna search for items. Card shaped items, H stack items. A list. Yeah, I think it's a list of views. If the list is centered aligned, it will have equally overflowing items on both sides of the screen. Okay, I guess I'm gonna wing it. Why not? Yeah, for now, I'll do this. I'll say this is a stick. And yeah, just to get rid of all the errors, I'll just do this. Oh, welcome, Shoeblime. Yeah, we're building a shop. Yeah, check out our shop so far. We've got this is what our shop looks like. So we've got this will be for upgrades. So you'll be able to like upgrade the weapon, so you can like upgrade from a stick to a sword or something. You can like buy it. Oh, yeah, my bad. I've still got the Chrome up. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, here's our shop. So we've got like upgrades, so you can like start with a stick. Yeah. Professional streamer. Yeah. I'm still new, but yeah, I'll try stuff. Yeah, so we've got like a stick, yeah. And then I want it so that you can like slide the stick out of the way, and then it'll show like a sword with like more power. So that'll be cool. And then we've got this gems thing. We're gonna do like little in-app purchases. Why not? Yeah, that'll be pretty good. I still need to move this gem to like the right side though. But yeah, we're gonna do some like in-app purchases. Yeah, it wouldn't be a mobile game without some some like microtransactions, wouldn't it? So that's what we're doing. Yeah, that'll be pretty good. Yeah. And so yeah, we're working right now on this thing. Want it to like kind of like have like sliding between different weapon types. I think that would be cool. Yeah, that would be pretty good. Oh, also, I wanted a button below this to say like purchase or select. And also for this to be kind of wider, I think. Yeah. Or actually, do I want it to be wider? I think it's, oh right, this size. If I'm gonna do like the sliding thing. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, let me think. So maybe I don't want it to slide. I want it for the skins. For the skins, I want to like show different skins and like slide between them. I think that look cool. For the upgrades though. Oh right, I forgot. I also wanted to. Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe. Maybe I can do like. Cause I also wanted like an upgrade. So this is like melee upgrade. For like stick or sword. I also want to have like a ranged one, maybe below it. For like a. Oh, Flutter. Oh, that's cool. Oh, dang. Yeah, I wanna learn Flutter because yeah, I can only build apps for iPhone and iPad. But Flutter, you got the whole thing going on. You got like iOS and Android. That would be cool. But yeah. Yeah, we're doing some Swift stuff, but yeah, I think Dart. I've heard is similar to like Swift UI, kind of like this kind of declarative stuff. So maybe if I try and learn it, it won't be so hard to pick up. Yeah. Let's see. What have we got going on here? So I wanted like a tab to show like melee. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I thought it might be. Yeah. Let's see. So for this, what do I want to do? I want to have like a vertical, so I do kind of want like a vertical scroll view thing. But for like melee and ranged. So yeah, let's do this. Let's have a scroll view and we'll make it vertical and we'll take away the indicators so that'll be hidden. And then we'll copy this and I want to do something for like ranged. So right now we just have like this little stick here. Yeah, but I want to do something like melee and ranged. So actually, let's make this yellow. Yeah, I think that'll be fine. Like that is yellow. And then let's think. So for each of these, I want them to have their own background, like another background. Yeah. I think so. So we'll have like melee and ranged. Yeah, I think that'll be good. So let's do this. Let me think. So, and actually I don't want like I want it to start out like this kind of. Yeah, something like that. Let's see what it looks like in our shop tab thing. Yeah, this is because it's the same yellow, it's like invisible. Actually, this is fine, I think. I wanted it to start out with like the melee kind of on top, and then ranged will be below it. Yeah. So this will be like our melee, this will be our ranged. Yeah, how do I kind of want to differentiate it? Let me think. Because I want to be able to like slide between them horizontally like this. Yeah, okay. So if I put another background on them, then let me think. I think I'll put this padding and background stuff on the actual V stack here. I think that'll make more sense. And then I'll take it out from here. And then I'll give this a different background. So this will be like dark yellow. And then I won't have this padding, I don't think. And then I'll do this. Here's what I'll do. I'll make a Z stack here. And put some like text somewhere. Like text, this will be melee. And yeah, I guess the other one will be arranged. That'll be good. I think so. Yeah. But I think because our Z stack, it's not like, it's kind of pushing it, I think. So I think what we can do is this. We can say frame max width infinity, max height infinity, and then alignment leading. I think so. Yeah, now we see our text. Yeah, I think that'll be good. And then I guess we can have the same for the other one. Yeah. And then I kind of want to like push it to the top a little bit. So I think we can maybe, let's see. So can we do like another one and say like top? Oh, I guess not. Let me think. So I guess maybe we could do this like max width leading, max height top. I think so. Yeah, I think that works out. And then we'll put like I guess a padding here. Yeah, I think that'll be good. And then we'll do the same for this other one. Yeah, I think that will be good. And now here's where I want to put like I guess this background can go on the Z stack. So like this. Yeah. I think so. I think that'll be okay. And then, yeah, same for the other one. And then I'll make like, I need to make this font better. So this will be font weight semi-bold. Same for the other one. Yeah, maybe I want to like make a view for this actually. Yeah, I think I might want to. I'll make struct, and we'll call this what do we want to call this? Like weapon row view. Maybe that's a good name for this. And we'll have our var body, and we'll just plop this in here. And this will take a name for the weapon type. And what else will we have? We'll have I guess like an array of like what the weapons are for this. So kind of like this, like weapon details, array of weapon details. Yeah. And then eventually we'll make this like a sideways scroller thing. Yeah. Also, what's it? Oh, it's talking about the size. I guess we'll pass in a size then. Like a var, a weapon row view size. And then, yeah, we can just pass this in here. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Or actually, because this is only the size of like the yellow part. So, I'll call this like select weapon view size. Yeah, so we don't get it confused. Alright, I think this is good for now. Yeah, the image name will pull from weapon details. We'll just say like, weapon details 0 name for now. Yeah, same for this. Yeah, okay. I think this is okay. And now we can replace all this with that. So this will be melee. Our weapon details, we can say this is weapon details, and our size will be this size here. Yeah, I think that'll be good. And then just replace this too. This will be ranged. Let's see. Did that... Oh, I think we need to put our weapon type here. Cool. Yeah, I think that kind of cleaned it up a little bit. Less lines of code, less code duplication. I'll also say this is a melee weapon details, and I'll make another one for ranged. Yeah, because we got different ranged weapons too. We've got a slingshot and we've got a bow. So yeah, I think that'll be pretty good. This will be melee weapon details, and then we'll have ranged here. Alright, I think that'll be good. Our slingshot's a bit stretched though. Yeah, maybe we want to fix that somehow. Let me think. How do I want to go about that? Can I do like a weapon size on this? Maybe I can pass in like a weapon size or weapon image size. Oh, wait, this should be I guess I can pass this in. Weapon image size. Or do I want to switch on this? Oh, this is where I do that like switch statement stuff. Okay. Let me think. I guess if I want like a custom size for each of these, then I kind of have to do some like weird switch logic. I'll think about it later. We can work on maybe like the scrolling part for now. Yeah, let me make this melee text bigger. So we've got our font weight, and then we can do a font size. We'll make it a system, and yeah, let's just do like, I guess 60 for now, or 80. What's that looking like? Can't convert double to thingy. Size. Yeah. Oh, that's too big. That's too big. 60. 50. Maybe 40? I guess so. Well, let's see what this looks like in our actual shop. Let's see. Oh, that's a bit... Yeah, our yellow thing is pretty stuck to the top. Let me put some padding around it. Yeah, I think that'll fix that. So, yeah, I guess, yeah, I'll just say, let's see. Would it go here? Oh, yeah, I think that's okay. Alright. Yeah, I guess that's good. Cool. And then, what else to do? Let's say we want to do that scrolly thingy. Yeah, let's maybe do that. So, oh, and also we're missing our button still. Yeah, I kind of want to put that like below this yellow card. So, yeah, I've got our scroll view with 2 buttons here. Our dark yellow thing. Yeah, so we can put, whatchamacallit, a button below this. Yeah. I'm almost tempted to put it in a V-stack. Kinda like this. And then have like one of those highlightable buttons there. Yeah, let's do that. So yeah, I think that'll be good. And then yeah, let's see how do we want to do this? Let me think. All right, so what have we got going on here? Let's see. What to do? How about I need to change this image URL, so I'll say like to buy button. Oh, I forgot to mention, I added these buttons before, like after last stream. I added the buy and the select button. I guess also technically the blank button and the blank button pressed. Yeah, let me see if I can get all these. Not the bow. Yeah, this one. That one. And then those other two. Like the buy button and the select button. Yeah. So this is basically like, this will be for like the in-app purchases row that we had. And then this will be for like buying different upgrades or skins. And then like after you buy it, you can choose to select it. Yeah, that'll be pretty good. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on with this. So what have we got? We've got our buy button. We're missing a couple parameters here. So let's say this will be select weapon view size dot width I suppose we can say select. Well, let's see what this looks like. Select weapon view size dot height divided by 3. And then we can take this out for now. Yeah, and then we need to give the frame the same thing. So yeah, let's get this width. And then the height will be this item here. Yes. This will be good. Alright. I think this is good. Oh, that's pretty big. Oh, we got a big button here. Let's make it a bit smaller. Yeah, so instead of this width, we'll do divided by 2. Okay, this is nice. And then let's put some padding around this. Yeah, I think so. Let's see also if we can do a spacing of 0 around these items. Maybe just bottom padding too. Alright, I think this is nice. And then we'll be able to like slide between them. I think that'll be good. I'm not a big fan of this dark yellow though. It looks kinda, I don't know, kinda gross a little bit. Let's see, what does our shop look like now though? Oh, our melee text is getting clipped. And our button is too small. Okay. It's like a mismatch of frames then. Yeah, why are they getting clipped? It looks like there's like extra background around. Okay. I think there's extra dark yellow background. Where is that coming from? Let's see. So it could be here. This is where we're doing dark yellow. And then here we've got yellow. Okay. I feel like it's doing... Oh, yeah, here it is. I don't want this. Yeah. Okay. I guess I need our button to be more tall. So this button size... Yeah, we want it to be more tall, so maybe like 2.5. Alright, now let's check our shop. Oh, still a little small. Let me think. Yeah, we don't have a lot of space to work with. Like, this buy button's like off screen. I don't want that. Yeah, and wait, like the user won't even know to scroll to the ranged. Let me think. How can we better design this UI? Oh, also, it's like different. When I go to upgrades, it's actually like, okay. Let me fix that disparity. Yeah, I think it's this. Yeah, it should also be divided by 1.3. Cool, okay. Yeah, I don't want this buy button to be so hidden. And what does this look like in shop view? Yeah, and our rectangles, our power rectangles are too small. They're like circles, actually. Yeah, I don't want them to be circles. Yeah, so this used to be wider. But then that'll go overlap our melee text. Unless we decrease the text of power to be smaller. Yeah, I have a problem with like vertical, how much space we have vertically. Let me think. So... And I want them to be able to like swipe between the things. Yeah, how do I fit this buy button here? Let me think. So... How if I did just do like a regular H stack, or a horizontal scroll view to scroll between them? I think that would be okay. Yeah. Let me think. Let's do some thinking emoji. Let's think. So... yeah, and our range text is getting cut off too. Yeah, this is not very ideal. Let's think. So... what do we need to fix? We need to get this buy button. Like, we need this whole frame here to be, like, small enough to where you can see the next one. So we gotta move the buy button, kind of like... I don't know, move it up, I guess? Maybe? And then... how do I want to do this then? Yeah, okay. I need to somehow make power not there. Thinking emoji. I feel like having the buy down there is not ideal. What if I did this? If I just decrease a bunch of the padding, will that work? I don't think so. Yeah, the problem is if I run it in simulator, there's also like a horizontal bar at the bottom. Let me show that. So here we go. Here's our simulator. Oh, it's just a black square. Oh, what's going on with that? Uh-oh. Our simulator crashed. Let me restart this. That was doing some weird stuff. Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, our simulator is like not even opening. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, this is no good. XPC error. Oh, that's weird. It does not like iPhone 14 Pro. What if I do iPhone 14 Plus? Let's take a gander. Oh yeah, no, our simulator is like totally messed up. I guess we can't run it in simulator right now. Unfortunate. I guess let's think about how we want to redesign it, because I wanted to maybe move the shop to be bigger. Like move it, the bottom part to touch the bottom of the screen or something. But I don't know if that's ideal either. Yeah, it's too strong for the simulator. I don't know what's going on. Yeah. Trying to figure out how to like redesign this. Yeah, I did not plan out the UI as much as I should have. Yeah, I guess because I'm not used to building like landscape apps. I usually build like portrait apps, but landscape's harder to design, I think. Yeah. So, I need to somehow get the user to want them to buy this, but then, because they won't know to scroll, I don't think. Unless I I want this to kind of be the view, so that they can see this bottom part, and they can see, oh, I can like upgrade my ranged weapon too, or something. Yeah. I have an idea. I have a weird idea. Maybe make the whole card the button? Is it gonna just click it to buy? Yeah, that's the thing though. That'll be kind of hard to know. One thing I'm thinking maybe is to have two columns, like a left column for melee and a right one for ranged, and then maybe they can like scroll in between them. Like I guess scroll like left and right to get like the next like thing. I think that'll be good. Maybe like I like the two column approach. That way they can like at least see what it is the whole time. Like melee will be the left and the ranged will be the right. But then if I put the melee text on top, it'll push the button down even more. Let me think then. This is a tough nut to crack. Yeah, Let me think. Maybe I should go back to the drawing board. I'm gonna go back to the drawing board. Let me bring out my GIMP, my MS Paint for Mac. I wish Mac had MS Paint, but I've got GIMP. So let me go back to the design board. We can have our phone thing on the right side, just to show. Yeah, let's do some drawing. Yeah. All right. So, also it's clipping off a bit. Let me bring this back. Yeah. Oh yeah, I think it's good. Yeah, so let's think. So here's what our shop looks like. We got this going on. I'm also using a trackpad. I don't use a mouse, so it's kind of hard to draw. Yeah, so we've got this, and we've got our tabs here. For like, yeah, it's like I don't know. We'll put our text here. It's like something like skins, upgrades, gems. And then what else have we got? We've got our back button. We've got shop here. And then we've got our ruby thing here. Yeah, we got like a ruby count. That's a very pretty ruby. Looks like a party hat. An upside down party hat. Alright, so how do we want to design this? So here's what I was thinking. I was thinking like the two column approach. We would have like our thing here, or maybe our button here, and then this is say like melee, and then this is ranged. Yeah. And then yeah, have like this. That way they don't have to like scroll down. Like in reality, this would make it this would be really shrunken down. And then I also want them to be able to like scroll left and right here to go to like the next weapon. So like here's like stick. You got your little stick here. But the next melee would be the sword. So yeah, like I'm not very good at drawing. Oh yeah, how would they know to scroll here though? I would need like to make them know to scroll. Like this would have to be really small. And then I would need like I would need like the next thing to show. Like part of it to show. So like, kind of like this. It would need to be like this. You have your like, your thing here, and then they would see like part of this, and then they would be like, oh, okay, I can scroll to show the whole thing. Yeah, and then of course this text would have to update, like if they've bought this already, then this would say like select, otherwise it would say like purchase. But yeah, I feel like doing it like this though, this would have to be like really small, I think. I think it could work. I think it could work. Yeah. Just trying to think. I suppose I could just make all the text to be pretty small. Yeah. An icon might work better for the type indicator. Oh yeah, actually. Font Awesome might already have some icons. Interesting. Yeah, maybe I think an icon would probably be better. Yeah. Like, because yeah, melee, I do have like different buttons for melee and ranged. I could do something like that. Yeah, I guess so. Hey, I'm glad you liked the two column approach. Yeah, I need to resize things a bunch to kind of make it look like that. But yeah, I think it might work. I'm just worried like how much space we have though, because like vertically, we don't have a lot to work with. We kind of gotta like make our buttons really small and stuff. But it might work out if I shrink stuff down. Yeah, I think that could maybe work. Yeah, because I feel like if I make it like vertically scroll, then they might not see everything. But having it all like in the same, like left and right, and then you horizontally scroll, I think would kind of make more sense. Yeah, I think we can try that. Yeah. I see what you're saying, Sublime, about the different indicators too. Because like I also had that for like in the actual gameplay. Maybe I can show that. There's like a button for like melee and ranged. I could do something like that for the shop view too. Where I have like a bow for like ranged, and like whatchamacallit, a sword for melee. I think that would be good. Yeah, I think that would be pretty good. Yeah. Oh, I guess this is loading a bit, but yeah, here's the button. So it'd be like, I got this melee button, and this ranged button. Yeah. UI gives me nightmares. Give me the mats, but please no, keep the color and art decisions away from me. Oh yeah, I feel that too. Yeah, I'm like, okay, I can work on some gameplay. That's pretty nice, just like coding up the logic. But then when it comes to like design, I'm like, oh dang, like what am I even doing? Yeah, I totally feel that. Yeah, because I didn't even plan the UI before building this. I had like a really scuffed high level mock-up, but yeah, once you actually get into it and like build the stuff, it's like, bruh. But yeah, let's see. So also, I think my previews are kind of broken. I'm gonna restart my Xcode. It's doing some weird stuff. Yeah, plus it was like the simulator was bugging. So I'm gonna restart, and then yeah, hopefully we can see some stuff again. Yeah, let's do that. That'll be pretty good. So yeah, let's get this back on. So here we go. I think so. Now let's see. Get our console back. Alright, yeah, this is working now. Cool. Our previews were kind of bugging a bit. Xcode got a little bit of bugs, but we're fine. We are golden now. Alright, yeah. So let's try and do that 2-column approach, I think. I think that'll be better. But yeah, for now, let's see, how do we want to do that? So I guess maybe we also want like a line between them or something. Yeah, so let's think. If we want 2 columns, that'll be like an H stack, and we'll change it here. So this is where we've got our like our shop stuff, our sub view. So yeah, instead of V stack, I guess we can just change this to be like H stack. See what this does. Oh wait, no, it would have to be here. Yeah, I think so. Oh no, it would be upgrades view. Here we go. So let's just change this to horizontal and see what it looks like side by side. Yeah. Oh, it's because it's, I guess it's because it's like, I think it's a for each that's controlling this. Let's see. I'll just change this to H stack instead. And then, okay, now I've got like 2 columns, but we gotta change a lot. So yeah, now like the buy button's visible, which is kind of the main thing, and the ranged part is visible. So the user doesn't have to like, I mean, sometimes they won't even know where the UI is if it's like off screen. So just having it all in the same place is, I think, better. Let's move some stuff down. So yeah, we need more spacers, I guess. And what else? Let's see. So it already kind of looks good, I think. I just gotta like move stuff down, and then I think I want this the square with like the stick and the power, and that text to be smaller, so that I can have like a little horizontal part to it, so they can scroll left and right. Yeah, for different weapons. Yeah, I think that'll be good. But yeah, let's work on the padding and the spacing of stuff. Yeah, basically just gotta push everything, like the buy button and the stick part, down. Yeah, so let's see. I think this V stack needs to be pushed down. Yeah, let's see. So maybe I don't want this bottom padding. Okay, it goes down a little bit. And then, what if I put a spacer here? Oh, because it's on a separate Z level. It won't do anything. Oh, okay. Let me actually bring this in here then. Yeah, okay. I guess a little better. I don't need the Z stack. Yeah. Alright, I think this is looking okay. I do kind of want some padding on the bottom button though, so let me bring that back. I think I had like padding bottom 10 or something. Yeah. Okay. Now I feel like there's too much space between the melee and range text and like the yellow part. So yeah, let me bring some, take away some of this padding. Yeah. Oh wait, that's the sideways padding. Okay. Let's do this then. Let's do leading padding and like 10 or 20 or something. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, okay. That's a bit too big. Okay, that was kind of what I was worried about. Like it's too big for our shop. So we gotta like shrink some things. Gotta shrink text. We've gotta shrink I guess text mainly. I can just make the font size smaller, and then I guess our spacing smaller. Try and like fit it. I mean, it's not like too big, but it is a little big. So yeah, let's make it a bit smaller. Yeah, I think we've got, yeah, okay, here. So let's see what happens if we just shrink the text size a bunch. So make this like 10 points smaller, and then I'll also shrink, I guess, the inner text stuff. So I think it's on this. Make this like 30 also, and I guess the power text too, I think. Oh yeah, that was the power text, but this one I'll make like 30 or 40. Now, let's see, let's see what that looks like. Is that already good? Oh, it's almost in. Okay. Yeah, it's almost the right size. So all right, how do we want to shrink it more? It's like a game of give and take. Like what should be shrunk down? The font size, the image size, the button size. We gotta shrink something. Who's on the chopping block? I guess I could shrink like the stick text. I feel like, I don't know. Or what if I take out like the melee and range text? But I would need to replace it with something. Or if I put it like sideways, I don't know. I feel like, if I took out that text, it would be fine. Like, if let's see, where do I take that out? Like here. If I took this out, then it's like the right size. But then we have a problem where like, how does the user know like one is for ranged or one is for melee? I feel like that's not very intuitive. Actually, let's also see how this looks in the overall shop view. Okay, I think that's, yeah, I think I do want that like melee and range text back. Or, yeah, it's like some kind of like visual indicator, as you were mentioning, Shublam, something like that. Let's see, where do we doing this? Yeah, here. So, yeah, it's a little too big. And then, yeah, okay. So what if I decrease some of the padding size, I guess? Like the space between the melee and the range, or the melee text and then like the stick, like square. If I decrease that spacing a little bit, I think it'll be a little okay. Yeah. Maybe. Another thing I could do is like take away the dark yellow and then change everything else to be like dark yellow, I guess. But then, I don't know. I feel like that'll kind of mess with the colors a little bit. I could do that. Yeah, I might do that. Instead of having like a dark yellow background, I have like no background. But then I change the color of this like stick and slingshot thing. Ooh, that might be better actually. I think that'll be better. Yeah. So what if I, let's see, where am I setting that dark yellow color? I think it's here somewhere. Yeah, here. So instead of having this background, then, yeah, I take out that background. But then, see, if I like go to the shop, then it's like, there's no like background for the thing, so it's like the same color. But if I make it like a different color, like if I made that dark yellow or like some other color, Like maybe like gray, or I don't know. Green, maybe? Oh, actually I could make it green if they've selected it, or gray if they haven't. I could do something like that. Yeah, well, let's see what it looks like if it's green. Yeah, so I think for that, I think the color I'm setting. Also, let me. This is a button. I'll say to do. Buy or select weapon. Yeah. So instead of this yellow, let's do. What if I do like green? Oh, but then the little squares go away. Okay. Maybe a different, like I guess a different shade of green or something. I think this dark green is good for like selecting. Then maybe I need like a light green here. Oh, I need a color then. Color. Initialize this color with like a red. So I guess like 0, 1, 0. Yeah. That's good. Okay. Yeah. Different greens, different shades of green. So like, I guess like the background of this is like green because they've selected it or something. Yeah, otherwise it would be like, I guess like dark gray. But then this needs to be a different gray too. What's like light gray? What's the RGB of light gray? Let me check online. Light gray. Actually, I think I can. There's a light gray here. It's like gray, light. Oh no, there isn't. I thought there was. I think it's somewhere else though. Let me see. Light gray RGB. Let's see. There's D3. Oh, interesting. Ah, thanks, Shublime. Let me see. So there's 7C, ECE, X, 199236238. Okay, let's do that. Let's see what this looks like. So 199. I'm not sure how to do like hex. I don't know if there's a thing. So I'm gonna take your first one. And then you've got like colors. Like you got a list of colors that you use. Maybe I should do that. That seems pretty handy. Yeah, let's see. So so this is gray, I think. Oh, we've got a syntax error or something. Let's see. Let's go back. Oh, I need to put a comma here. Oh no, wait. What was going on here? I think I fix. I think I messed something up. Let's see. So this is a color. Am I missing an alpha parameter? I don't think so. Oh, I got your. I converted it already. Yeah. Let's see. So RGB. I'm missing some comma or something somewhere. Here. Let's see. I forget. So, this is red, green, blue. Oh, let me think. So if I convert this back to gray, and this one too. Okay, so this is okay. It doesn't like another color here though. Oh, wait. If I... Oh, I think I had like too many parameters or something there. Okay. Well, it's a little on the lighter side. Let me check the other one. So let's see. 199236. Yeah. All right. So let's see. So 95. Yes. All right. So that's 149. What else? 175192. Yes. Let's see. And then let's do this. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I kind of like that. That's a good one. I tried your second gray. It looks pretty good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use that. Yeah. And then I also want to see what the actual like dot gray default background is. Yeah. Okay. So that's like unselected, and this is like selected. Cool. I think that'll work. And then, yeah, let's see what this looks like on the actual shop. Assuming they've selected both of these. Okay, our buy button's a bit dark, like it's kind of hidden. I might have to actually change that in Photoshop, probably after stream. Yeah, I think that'll be good. But yeah, I want the melee text and the range text to be kind of flush with the left side of the square and a little down. Yeah, so let me fix that. Or maybe I want it centered. Nah, probably like left aligned. Yeah, let's see. So to do that, I think I need to put them in the same, whatever, like H stack, V stack. Oh, I think I can maybe do this. I can make this alignment leading, but then that'll also move the button. Oh, yeah, Swift is very specific about the order of the parameters. It's like one has to precede the other. Yeah, okay, so that's good for the text, but then our button kind of moves. Yeah, let me then do another V-stack here. Yeah, and then spacing 0. Oh, but where did our button go? Oh, because we put the frame on this thing. Is that? I think, where were we putting this? Oh, we put it on the button. I think so. Yeah, so this should go here. Okay, I guess that's better. Alright, now let's see. So I wanted to move the text down a bit. So I need like top padding, I think, too. How do I don't remember if it's like this, top leading. Okay, yeah. And then, let's check out what it looks like. Oh, our buy buttons, he's off the screen. Uh-oh. Looks like we need less spacing around stuff. Now let me take out that top padding then. Yeah, where am I doing that? So here's some. Yeah, it's trying to get away. It's trying to run away from us. Yeah, I guess we still want our player to buy stuff. Yeah, don't want him to run away from us. Oh yeah, let's see. So I think maybe I can take out this top padding. Just make it leading. And then I've got some padding here too. I gotta take out this. Yeah, let's see. What does this look like? Let's take a gander. Oh, that's okay. I need to take out the leading padding. And then, actually, I want to bring some spacing back, actually. Yeah, just kind of adjust it to be less. So yeah, let's bring us some spacing back. So I think we had that here. Yeah, we just took out this padding and this one. So let's actually, I'm gonna take out this one altogether. Or just, I'll put some bottom padding. Instead of leading, I'll put bottom. So leading is like left, but bottom is like bottom. I'll put like 10 here. And then this padding, I'll do top 10. Or actually, I guess I can do bottom. Yeah, okay, let's see. What does this look like? That's okay. I feel like that melee and range text is too close to the top though. I've got an idea. I have an idea to make this top and bottom padding. So right now we have it like the bottom is 15. What if we made like top, bottom, 5 or something? That might work. That's okay. I feel like that text, the melee and range is still too close to the top. I'm gonna adjust it a little more. Yeah, this is the finicky part of UI development. It's like, yeah, just changing the numbers a little bit and see what that looks like. I don't know if that's actually, is that doing stuff? Oh, maybe because I changed the 5 to the 7. Maybe it was too small. I didn't even notice. What if I changed like 20? Let's see. Oh yeah, now I can see what it's doing. Yeah, let's see. I think it's yeah, okay. So let me see. This is weapon image name. Oh, wait, I'm doing this in the wrong place. Yeah, this should be... Wait, where am I supposed to be doing it? Now wait, this is on image. I didn't even know where I was doing it. I do want padding here though, but not on the top. Yeah, this should be like this. Maybe like 10. But yeah, I need the padding on the actual, the text, which is this. This is where I need to do it. So let's do, yeah, this is like top, bottom. I can split it in half. Yeah, so let's see. How does this look? Oh, yeah, I think that's probably better. Yeah, I kind of want to move this melee thing to the left though, a little bit. That's not too close to our tabs here. A little more to the left, I think. The rectangles are cosplaying circles. Yeah, you're right. I need to make the little green square like more wide so that the rectangles, like, it actually turns into rectangles. Yeah, they're doing some. Yeah, the circles want to be. I guess the rectangles want to be circles. But we won't let them. We'll make them nice rounded rectangles again. Yeah. So yeah, first thing, let's change this padding to kind of move it more to the right. Yeah, because I feel like there's a lot of space, like there's a lot of yellow space on the right side here. We can make it better. Yeah. And then, yeah, we gotta make the green thing more wide, I guess. Yeah, I think so. So let's work on that. Yeah, so first thing, we want to move this little thing to the right a little bit. Yeah, I think maybe we want to do that here actually. So we would put like, oh yeah, so we already have padding here. Then I guess we can say, another padding, leading 30 or something. I don't even know if that's... Oh, okay, yeah, now that's a little better. But I feel like there's still like... I want to center it. There's like way too much space on the right. Like, you see that? There's like the left, like past where slingshot is, like past the range, there's like a whole chunk of yellow that we need to kind of like make use of. Yeah, I kind of want to utilize that space. So yeah, how do we center it? Yeah, so instead of maybe the leading padding, I want to somehow center the actual content. Yeah. So let me take out this padding actually. I'll bring back this one. No, I'll take it out. I wanna be able to center this without like using padding, because that's kind of like an approximation, but I don't wanna. We want to be exact. So let's see how we can center this. We can center it, I guess, in here. So we've got this text v-stack, another v-stack. I guess I can take this out. So, okay, how do we center this in the screen? So what have we got working on? So that would be here, I think. Got an H-stack with 2 weapon row views. But yeah, they're not... Oh, I see. That's why it's like, it's already centered. But we've got a whole bunch of extra space on the side here. Yeah. How do we get rid of that space? It should be like... Yeah, that should not be there. This width or something. Upgrades view size width divided by 2. So whatever width we're passing in, we want it to be like half that. Which is this. That's like the width we're passing in. This is fine. Yeah, so I think whatever we're doing here, maybe we're like overriding this or something. Select weapon. No, this is the right size. So is this. Maybe it's this frame. I think it... Or let's see, so this is V-stack. Here's our overarching V-stack. Okay. Yeah, there's something about this frame is off a bit. Yeah, we're like... It's adding extra spacing that we don't want to add. Oh, where is that coming from? Oh, I think it's from this. Oh yeah, yeah, look at that. Our text has like... The frame of our text is crazy. Yeah, I think because I wanted to do that to like align it to the top left. But in the process, we made it too big. So... Yeah, let me take this code out and see how to do that a better way. Yeah, now it's centered. Wait, actually it's still aligned to the top left. So, yeah, maybe this is fine. Yeah, actually that's good. And we can put a spacer in between. Oh wait, that's not where I want that. Here. Yes. And then we can kind of adjust this to be, let's see, so frame of our spacer. So we'll make this, upgrades view size dot width divided by, let's say 3. And the height will be upgrades view size dot height. I guess it's too big. Let's make it like 8. I think so. I think that's okay. Yeah, let's see how this looks in our shop. Yeah, that's alright. That's better. Yeah, the only problem is though, is I wanted them to be able to like scroll left and right on the stick and the slingshot. But I don't think it'll be obvious. Yeah, so how to do that? So let's first off, before we implement like the whatchamacallit, the snap carousel or whatever, let's just try it with a horizontal scroll view to see what this looks like. Yeah, so where do I do that? It's like here. I'll do this. I'll say scroll view. We'll make it a horizontal one. So we'll do this horizontal. Yes. And then, oh, it's already like moving stuff. We'll do this. Oh, wait. Wait, but it's horizontally scrolling, right? It should put them side by side, like left and right. Oh, maybe because I need an H stack, I think. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, okay. So now it's like scrolling. Eventually I want this to be like snapped, so like as you scroll, the left one will get smaller and then it'll snap to this one. So that's kind of like the end goal. But for now, this is okay, but what does this look like in our shop? Oh, okay, so it's like pushed everything to the right, and also this kind of looks weird. It's like, I don't know, it's like hiding behind some hidden yellow. I want like padding around this then. Like padding around the whole thing. So it doesn't like kind of go off screen, but yeah. So let's put padding around this whole little block, like left and right padding. So yeah, I think I'll go like here. So we shall put, what is this, weapon row view? So actually, because I made it vertical, this should be called weapon column view. Yeah, weapon column view. And then, yeah, I'll need to change that here. But yeah, we need to put padding around, I guess like this H stack, the whole thing. I'll put like left and right padding. Yeah, otherwise known as leading and trailing padding. Yeah, they got their own names for stuff. They think left and right is too cool. So they call it leading and trailing. Yeah, I think, okay, this is a little better. It's not like, I mean, this is not ideal, I think. Maybe I could put like a little divider in between melee and ranged of like a different color. That might make it look better, maybe. Yeah, because right now I've just got like a spacer there. Yeah, and then also, I don't know, this there's only like one button for this. Like ideally you buy this and then it'll say select, and then you swap to this, and if you don't buy it then it like changes the text again. But yeah, that's kind of how I envisioned this. Yeah, let's put like a middle divider between these two. I think that'll be okay. And maybe some more left padding. I feel like this is too close to our tabs again. Yeah. Oh, also thank you for the follow, Mr. NSQ TV33. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. We're doing some game development. Yeah, should be pretty good. But yeah, let's see. So I want to have like a kind of middle divider between these two columns, so that it's not like I mean, the divider right now is this like yellow rectangle, but if it's like a different color, maybe it doesn't look so weird. Yeah. Alright, so where do we do that? So that's wherever our spacer is, like this spacer. We want to make this like a rectangle instead or something. So rectangle, maybe a dark yellow one. So we've got dark yellow somewhere. Yeah, also it's like there's a lot of space on the other. Oh, because we still got this spacer here. So something like this, and then we force the width to be a certain width. Let's see. So how about this? And then the height can be slightly smaller than what we're passing in. Maybe 1.3. Maybe this can be like 12. Not too big of a divider. Actually, probably like pretty thin, I'm thinking. Something like that. Yeah, let's see how does this look. Oh, that's too small. But oh, and it's got its own padding around it. Like, it's still got some yellow around it. Yeah, let's first make it taller. Yeah, so maybe instead of 1.3, we can do. What if we just set it to the whole height? Okay, is that good? Like, I don't know. Yeah, this is like very awkward. Yeah, this UI is a bit cumbersome, I don't know. But I still want some padding on the left side here, like a little more. I'm gonna change that, like add some more padding there and then see what it looks like. Yeah. So for like each of the little things, each of these, we'll add some more leading padding. Yeah, so let's do that. And on this one, yes, okay. Now let's see. Wow, now I feel like this padding is too big on this one. Yeah, this is okay. Okay, then maybe I don't want it on like each of those. Then I'll put it on. Where is it? I'll just increase it here. Let's do this. I'll say kind of a regular trailing padding. It'll use like, if I don't specify a size, it'll like try and set it itself. But for the leading, I'll put like 20. Yeah, let's see what this looks like. Yeah, I think this is a little better, but I don't know, if I were a user and I just saw this, like, I don't know, I'd be pretty confused, maybe. I don't know. And I kind of want this divider to reach, like, the top and the bottom, almost. Or, like, really close to that. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm okay with this. Yeah, I think the problem with having, like, a landscape shop, though, it's kind of hard to design, like, the UI. Yeah, but I think we're okay with this. Yeah, I just want like the buy button to be like directly below this, but it's like being pushed off a little bit by this one. Yeah, maybe when we implement our like snap carousel, it'll be better. Yeah. But for now, let's make this rectangle a bit taller. So, yeah, I think that'll be good. So where do we put that rectangle? It's like, it's here. So, like setting it to the max height isn't enough. So we gotta like move it out somewhere. Unless we just multiply this like by 1.1. That way it's like even bigger than the max height. Which is like, Yeah, it should be even bigger here. Okay, I think that's good for like a divider. I think so. Yeah, I almost don't want like this little... There's like a little yellow rectangle on each side of this dark yellow. I kind of want to take it out a little bit. Maybe not. Maybe not. Yeah, I think I'll leave it for now. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's implement this like snap carousel thing. Yeah. Oh yeah, also we still have the problem of our rectangles being circles. Yeah, I think to fix that we need this to be wider. This little green thing needs to be wider. Let's work on that then. So this just needs to be wider. Okay, so this is on here. So yeah, we need, wherever we're doing this. Okay, so we need the select weapon view to be a wider width. So yeah, where are we calling that? It's here. So wherever we're setting the width of this needs to be bigger. I guess we could change it here. Yeah, we could change it here. So let's see. So because this puts the padding, or like puts the green color around the whole background. But if we make our background slightly bigger, which I guess we can... I guess we could do with padding. I mean... Yeah. I want like this kind of rectangle here though. Like the one on this preview looks nice. Yeah, maybe we just increase the rectangles themselves to be wider. And then that should increase like the whole view. Yeah, so let's make this, instead of divided by 3, like 2. Yeah, maybe that would be good. So let's see what this looks like in our shop. They're still kind of... I don't know. I think they're like pills now. But I want them to be a bit taller. I think it's somewhat okay. Yeah, I'll make them a little taller. So instead of 6, we'll make this like 5 or something. Let's see. I think this is okay. Yeah, I think it's okay. But yeah, I do want this to like snap onto this. But yeah, will the user know to scroll? I guess they see this like little sliver of green over here. Maybe they'll know to scroll then. But yeah, eventually I don't want them to just have like these two options, like stick. This should be sword and this should be bow. Maybe I can change that. Instead of like, I think I was copying and pasting some stuff for testing. Let me just fix that actually. Yeah, I was using this. Let me change this. So yeah, I suppose instead of H stack, I should have a for each here, I think. Yeah, and the for each should go on these weapon details. Yeah, okay. So let's do that. For each weapon details. And then we'll put this in here. Take this out. And yeah, this will be I suppose let's make this a weapon detail. And this will be weapon detail name and the power. Yeah, I think so. So now it should be like, yeah, sword. And we have our bow. Yeah, the problem is it's just like I'm setting the image size to be the same, so it looks weird for some of them. I kind of have to like adjust this size based on whatever image it is. But I think we can do that later. Let's focus on like making this like a snap carousel. I kind of want to do that instead of like this regular horizontal scroll view. Yeah. So let's see, how do we want to do that? Yeah, this is gonna be kind of hard because I've never done this. We've got to use, like, I have that website with like an example of this, but yeah, it'll be kind of a bit tricky. Let's see. Yeah, let me bring that back up. See what we can do. Yeah, because once we do it once, then we can use it for all of our projects. So that should be pretty good. Yeah. So here we've got our example thing. Yeah, so what have we got to work with? So the base view is, what is it? It's like an H stack, and it has like an items list in here. And we've got to do all this like math stuff to get this to work with like offset and dragging and stuff. Oh yeah, I guess, okay, so they don't even have like a scroll view. They're just like literally, they've got a gesture and they're dragging and calculating the drag. Okay. Yeah, they don't have like a complete example of this. They just have all the code kind of separated out. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like maybe there's another example out there. A better example that I can go off of. Yeah, something like this, except without the turning of the things. Let's see, so they've got this card. They've got a V-stack of rounded rectangles. That's okay. Let's see, where are they? Okay, now they're doing the offset stuff. So, yeah, this is kind of what I want. Current index to. Okay, so they're controlling it with indices. And then this for each. Yeah, so we've got this. We got this for each already. Yeah. They've got this. And then they do the offset thing. Yeah, and then this is the important bit with the drag gesture and the spring animation. Yeah. And here's the complete code. Okay. Let's see. So this is what we want for like our little different weapons. Yeah. Do they have like a custom view for this? Yeah, they do. Snap carousel view. And they pass cards. Okay. So we need this whole thing. Maybe we can just yoink it. And then... what are they calling this, though? Like, what's the root view? Carousel card view. Oh, this is the root view. Yeah, so this would be like our weapons view. And we'd stick it here. And then... yeah, we just put like all this gesture stuff and offset stuff around it. Yeah, I'm gonna try this. We're gonna do a little bit of yoinking, and then yeah, we'll see what we end up with. Oh, they also have this. Okay, yeah, let's do a little bit of a yoinking, shall we? Yes, we shall. Thank you, sirs, for the code. So, yeah, I basically need to copy and paste that like here. So instead of scroll view, yeah, we need to do this offset stuff. Yeah. So, let's see. So they had a Z stack actually. Instead of an H stack, they had a Z stack. And then they had this for each. And then they had a geometry reader around it too. Do we need that? I guess so. They had a geometry reader here. I don't know. That seems... Geometry reader can mess up some view stuff sometimes. Okay, no, I think it's fine. And then, what else do we want? So they had this whole gesture stuff. Let's just yoink that and stick it here. This is what they had. Yes, okay. Oh, they also call this geometry. I always call it geo. It's kind of short for that. Oh, and then they had an index, yeah. They had this. So let me bring this in. Alright. And then they have this cards.count. Okay. Do we need that cards.count? Oh wait, we can actually... Should it be this? Weapon details.count. Yeah. And then they also have this card with... I don't know. What does this look like? I can't even drag. Uh-oh. We got a bug here somewhere. Oh, we never had the offset. Let's get our offset. Let's see. So we need offset on this. Yes. And this should be geo. And this should be weapon detail ID. Yeah, we even have it already. Yeah, so... Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what's going on? That's a lot of errors. Conflicting arguments to generic parameter self. Uh-oh. I've never seen this error. Uh-oh. Let's see. What's going on? Let's see. So... Conflicting arguments to generic parameter content. Oh. Wait, when did that show up? Was that... That was only when we fixed this bug. Weapon detail. Now let's see what happens if I comment out this gesture. Will it still have like an error? Okay. Let me do a... Okay, I think it might be because of this... Oh, wait, this should be stack. Yeah, okay. I think this is geometry reader. I think that's what's causing this. Yeah, so this is back what we had before. So yeah, so it's probably the geometry reader that's doing this. Yeah, let's see what happens if we take out this. Is it the offset? Here, oh, it's the offset that's doing this. Okay. That's our bug. It doesn't like offset. Interesting. That's kind of like the main thing we need. Because the offset determines like how much it's moving from left to right. And let's think. So, okay, conflicting arguments, generic parameter. Maybe it's not conforming to a certain thing, maybe? Let me see. Yeah, why doesn't it like this offset? Thinking emoji. I'm gonna look this up. I have not seen this before. Conflicting argument offset. Based on comments, remove binding. Bruh. I don't got no binding. Let me see. Oh, maybe it's this thing? I don't know. What if I just do like a number here? Oh, no, still. If I change this to be like 2.0. Okay, well that fixed it. Wait, so what was causing that? It's like... Oh, I'm doing weapon detail ID minus. Oh, that's what's causing it. This is a UUID. And I'm like subtracting it from something. Okay. Yeah, the worries of copying code. Yeah, when you do the yoinking of the code, you gotta be careful of what you're yoinking. Yeah, so what is this ID then? Yeah, why are they like subtracting an ID? Oh, it's an int. But I had it as a UUID. Okay. So instead of that, I want this to be weapon detail dot... I need like an index. Weapon details... What's this? Weapon... Or like index of or something. Index of... Or... How do I get the index? Index... How do I calculate index? Yeah, arrays in Swift are weird. Like, it's hard to get index. Like, you have to use this, like, start offset and then, like, add your index. It's weird. Yeah, I want to get, like, the index of the current weapon detail. Unless I can pass index here. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. I got to do something here. Let's see. Yeah, maybe I'll search. Can I get like for each index in Swift? Getting the index in for each. Let's see. Swift UI. Get the index. Enumerated. And I need an offset. Okay. Yeah, so here's what they say. I can do this. I can call this... I can use an ID parameter. And I can say... There should be an offset here. Oh, but I need enumerated. So... Like this? Does this work? And then I can pass in an index here. And then requires for each conform to random access collection. Okay. Then I'll put you in array. Alright. And now... Oh wow, that's a lot of bugs. Argument has to be class type. Let's see, so... let's change this to be the index. And this should be the weapon detail. Yes. Okay, well I guess I fixed it. Alright. And now we have the index. So now we can do what they were saying, like index minus current index or whatever. I think that's what they wanted. Yeah. And now we can bring back this gesture stuff. Yeah. I think that'll be okay. Oh, and yeah, we need this geometry reader back. Alright. Now, maybe that fixed it. Oh, looks like we have an extra curly. Alright. Yeah, so now we don't have any syntax errors, but we're still not getting the scrolling that we want. I think I'm missing some variables. Yeah, looks like I am. Yeah, based on the example, they had some more offset stuff. They had, they passed in, yeah, let me show this again. Yes, this is gonna be a little bit of the hard part, but we can reuse it for the skin view. Yeah, this is what they had. Yeah, so we did this. We did the gesture and this offset. Oh, we didn't do that multiplication though. I'm gonna add that in actually. Let me just add it in real quick. So geo, yeah. Oh wait, I actually did something. Yeah, let me show this. Yeah, that actually like I added this multiplication. And now it is like snapping. Okay. Cool. But it's like overlapping. It's a bit too close. Okay. So that's cool. Oh yeah, wait, that's weird though. It's like, oh, okay. Oh no, wait, that's a little weird. It's not like, yeah, okay. Because with the other scroll view, then it would like, whatchamacallit, it would like cut off the content. But right now it's like, it's doing some weird stuff. It's like, it's not cutting it off, so it's like overlapping everything. We gotta fix two things. We gotta make it not like overlap and also kind of like cut it off so that it doesn't like go over this line. Yeah, I think so. So let's see. What have we got going on here? Yeah. How to fix the thing. Okay. Yeah, based on the example, they had some extra variables they were passing into the card view. So they passed in the index and the geometry. So let's do that. So let's add these parameters here. Yeah, so they did this. And we'll pass in geo. And then in our select weapon view, we'll have to add these variables. So they passed in, what'd they do? So we've got these two extra variables now. And then they also did this like calculation here. Yeah. Oh yeah, also we gotta update our preview too to get these variables. So I guess we can pass in a geometry reader. This is geometry reader. Geo in. We'll pass in. Whatchamacallit? What are we missing? Geo, geometry, geo. And then current index. Oh wait, this should go here. Yeah, so current index will do dot constant for binding. 0, geo, and then our geometry is geo. Okay. Now it renders, but it's doing some weird stuff. Yeah, we can just ignore that. And then, yeah, so we got this card height or whatever. Yeah, okay. So, where do we want to put this? Like here, I guess? What is this card ID? Yeah, following examples for this. Yeah, it doesn't exactly match what we're trying to do, but yeah, we need to pass in the index, I guess. That's what that is. We need to pass in index, which is an int. And yeah, that goes here. No wait, don't we have index? This is current index. Oh, that's separate from index. Okay. Let's see. I need index. Let's just say 0. And then, yeah, we need to pass this in here. Let's see. So, should be index. We'll say index, because we have that here. Yeah. And then, yeah, we need to update this. So instead of ID here, we'll say the index. Okay. And then, what else are we missing? We're missing this. Oh, and then okay. Can't find card. Oh yeah, this should be index again. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. This is really sus. I don't know if this is gonna work out. Okay, yeah, we've... Wait, it's almost... We just need to... It's just too tall. Like, we just need to make it less tall. No, I think we're okay. No, wait, it's still like... It's still overlapping stuff. I don't know then. I don't think we want to go with this route then. Okay. I did have an alternative approach that I wanted to do. Rather than this snap carousel stuff, I did have an alternative. So let me actually undo this. Yeah, I think we won't go this route for our UI. I had an alternative which was easier, which is using arrows instead of like scrolling. That might be a better approach. Yeah. Let's do that. That'll be the easy way out. Yeah. Let's take out all this. Alright. Yeah, I think this is okay. And then, what else are we missing? Okay. Yeah, we gotta be careful about undoing what code we have, not to undo too much. Let's see. Yeah, okay. I guess it's okay. We've got our stuff back. Yeah, so instead of doing a scroll view like this, what we can do is we can have like arrows to kind of go left and right, I think. That might be better. That's what I'm thinking. Let's see what our shop view looks like though, after undoing all that. Didn't like break anything. we're missing some stuff, but for the most part, it's okay. Yeah, I think we're missing, what are we missing? So, yeah, it should be loading all of the melee and the ranged weapons. Let's get rid of this Z stack. I think that's why. Ooh, wait, it's putting stuff on top of each other. Uh-oh. Should this be... Oh, this should be an H stack, actually. Yeah. Okay, I think we're good. Yep. Alright. So... what to do next? Let's do the arrow thing. I like the arrow approach. Yeah. Arrows is better. So, yeah, how do we want to do this? So maybe we can put the arrows next to the buy button. That might be better. It's like you would have this, and you can have like an arrow next to the buy to go to the next weapon. Yeah, I think that'll be good. It's just that they're all the same color as the background, so it's kind of hidden, but I think that'll work out. Yeah, that should be all right. Yeah, let's implement that. So, yeah, basically we want to take out this H stack and horizontal scroll view. Yeah. So, we'll take out this. And... oh, oh, do we want the for each then? I guess not, right? We'll just have, this. Like, just that. Okay. And then... oh, we're missing some stuff. Oh, yeah, okay. So then, if we do the arrow approach, then we'll have to, like, instead of passing an array, I guess we'll have to pass in, like, well, actually, what we can do is we can find out which array index we're on. So, like, weapon detail index. And we can say this, like, weapon details, weapon detail index. Yeah. Alright. Cool. So now, like, we're on 1, but if we change this to 1, we'll go up 1. Yeah. So that'll be good. And then we can use our arrows to kind of navigate between those two. Yeah, so let's do that. Yeah, that's much easier than this, like, snap carousel stuff we were trying. That might go way overboard. Yeah, maybe we can update that in a future release of our app. But yeah, for now, we'll go the simpler route. Yeah, so next to the buy button, we want some arrows. So let's put an H stack here. Yeah. And we'll put some arrows around here. So, these will also be highlightable buttons with a certain frame. And I guess bottom padding, we can put this on the H stack. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna drink some water. Yeah. Yeah. My voice is getting a little oof. But I'm gonna take a little water break. Okay, I think I'm a little better. Alright. Yeah, let's get back into it. So, Yeah, we want a highlightable button. And another one here. And this will be, whatchamacallit? It'll be, I think I called it, I have an arrow asset. I forgot what the arrow was though. I think it's back button. Yeah, back button. So let's use that. And then, yeah, make it a certain width using this frame thing. Yeah. And we can make it like square actually. So it'll be, let's do select weapon view size divided by like 8. And then same height. Yeah, and then we can just copy this size for this. Oh, did that? I don't know if that was enough changes. It's still, this should be smaller. Let's see. What are we missing? So we got our select weapon view, and then below it we have these 3 buttons. We have 2 arrows and the buy button. And we want our arrows to be much smaller. Yeah. Oh, I think because I need to set the size in 2 places actually. So this width here, and then here, and also here. Yes, I don't remember why I did it like this, but yeah, that's how I did it. So this should be 8, and this 2. Okay. And then let's see, what else are we missing? Yeah, okay, so this is fine. Let's see. I'm getting confused a bit by the... let me add the spacing here. This is 8. Oh, this should be 8. And this also. Okay. It's a little better. Now let me actually... Okay. I'm a little confused by all these numbers. I'm gonna undo this just to be sure I haven't like messed up the numbers, and then yeah, we're gonna re-add this. Yeah, this will be back button. Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna ignore these errors for now. Back button. And then here. And we'll grab this. And now we'll just copy it and be sure we have it in the right places. Yeah. So we've got it here. And here. Yes. I think we forgot to copy the S. And then we'll put it here and here. And same for this. We'll put it here and here. And then also here and there. Alright, that's looking a little better. So now we've got our little arrows. Maybe they should be the same height as the buy button, which is, what is that height? It's height divided by 2.5. What if I did that? So, height divided by 2.5. What does that look like? Oh, that's a little better. Yeah, let me match the height. So, like this. Like so. Yes. Oh, I think I missed something. This height. Yes. Okay. And then I want to rotate this one. So rotated by degrees. What, like 90? Nope. 180. There we go. Cool. And then I guess if our index is 0, we want to hide the right or the left button. And if it's, I guess, weapon details length, we hide the right one. Yeah. So let's do that. It's like if weapon detail index is 0, or like I guess not equal to 0, then we hide that button, and then we'll have a similar check on this button if it's like the length of the array. So this will be weapon details count -1. Yeah, okay. And then yeah, we just need to implement so that when you like click this, it'll go to the next weapon. Yeah, I think that'll be good. So let's implement that here. So I think all we need to do is just say weapon details index plus equals 1. And then here we'll say minus equals 1. Okay, let's see. Does this work? No. It crashed. Uh-oh. Let's see. Why are we crashing? A most unexpected crash, indeed. But we can test in our simulator, get a better debug log. So let me pull up the simulator, because it'll actually give us a crash message. Our preview is not so kind. So yeah, let me bring up. Actually no, I ran this on iPhone 14 Plus, but my Streamlabs is only linked to my Pro. Let me bring up the other simulator. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Bringing up the simulator. So, why does it often crash? Yeah, not sure. I think we had something with our index. Mr. Boone with many O's. Yeah, something with our simulator is doing some weird stuff. But yeah, let's bring this up. So, here we go. Here's the simulator. Yeah, here we got our little Yippee app. Let's see what's going on. So when we go to our shop and we click our right button, we got a crash here. Let's see, where's our crash? So we're crashing on this line. Index out of range. Okay. So let's see. Now what's our index then? It's a 1, which is expected. But looks like our weapons detail array might not have 2 items in it. It should though. I wonder what's happening then. Something else. So, okay. So our weapon details index is 1, but it is indeed crashing. Let's see. What could be what could be going on here? Let's see, maybe we can check here better. Let's see. You can encapsulate a secure accessor to avoid buffer overflow. Indeed. I think this is an index overflow, like array index. Yeah. So let's see. What could be going on here? Yeah, that's interesting. It's saying like we're going out of bounds, even though our index is 1 and our array has 2 items. Interesting. Most interesting indeed. Yeah, okay. So we click the right. Oh, I know what's happening actually. I know what's happening. Oh, I thought this was 1. It's actually -1. Yeah, we should make this plus and this minus. That should fix our bug. Yeah. Line 48? Yeah. Yep. That is true. Our thing is off. Yeah. We gotta fix our signs there. Let's check our shop. See how this is looking. So we hit our right button. We go to our sword. Go back. Looks pretty good. Yeah, the only problem is our button is like moving around. Yeah, we don't want it to move around. Yeah, we kind of want our buy button to like stick in the same place. So to do that, I think what we'll need is a Z stack, and we need to put like the elements on different different Z levels, and then have like a spacer the same width of the button, something like that. Yeah, because right now like it's the width of this is being controlled by whether the arrows are there or not. Yeah, we don't want that. So let's see. I think we can change that here, because yeah, it's like it's moving around. It's doing a little bit of extra movement. Yeah, so where to change the thing? I think it's because it's in the same, like, it's in the same H stack, that's why. So we need to like take them out of this H stack, and put them on like a, I don't know, I guess like a Z stack? Yeah. So let's see, so make a Z stack, and then we shall put all of these items in there. Indeed. I think that will be good. Does this look like a mall? Are there any game scenes? Oh yeah. Yeah, there's some game scenes. Yeah, I have, here's the gameplay. So like if I go to the game view, here's what the actual like gameplay is like. So you play at this little Yippee, and then you can like swing your sword, or you can shoot some arrows. Yeah, and then there's like little enemies you can fight. You defeat the enemies, but yeah, there's some bugs right now with like terrain generation and like spawns. So like we've got like stuff overlapping and stuff. Yeah, it's like this little green Yippee and Yippee jail. But yeah, we've got some errors going on with like spawns, and it's lagging a bit. So I think for the lag, what I want to do is like spawn all the squares and enemies I need at the beginning, and then like reuse the same objects. Like basically like preload everything that's ever gonna spawn, and then just like reuse stuff later on. That's how I'll fix the lag. And yeah, we've also got this bug with the hole here, but yeah, we'll fix it for sure. And we got some bugs where like if you hit an enemy, that isn't like the first enemy, then it crashes. Because like the way I designed it was kind of weird, so it'll crash. But yeah, I'll fix those gameplay bugs later. But yeah, for now, let's fix up the shop. So yeah, what are we fixing? So we're fixing this arrow here. It's like moving the button around. So yeah, we don't want this buy button to like move around when we see different arrows. We can connect to GPT to bring every NPC to life. Oh, I could. like an OpenAI API and then do some AI stuff. I could do that. But I don't know. I'm pretty cheap. I like to keep my API expenses down. Maybe in the future though. Maybe for like game AI, I could do something like that. Because right now, the game AI is just like the enemy goes in one direction, and then as soon as you hit it, it just gets knocked back. It's not very intelligent AI. It's just like, it's very simple. I could do some more nuanced game AI or something. Yeah. Let's see. So what do we got? So we got this like this button is moving around a bit. We want it to be like centered, and then yeah, when these arrows show up, we don't want it to like move this button around. And I think that's because it's in this H stack. Like they're all in this H stack, so I gotta like move the stuff out of the H stack into like a Z stack. So let's change this Z or H to a Z. So now it's like overlapping. Now we just gotta like push our arrows like out around this button. So yeah, to do that, we need some, I guess some spacers. Yeah. I'm almost tempted to like put the back buttons in the same H stack, but then we might run into the same problem again. So, I have an idea. Here's what I'll do. I will create an H stack for each button and put a spacer. So here's the left button. So we'll put a spacer on the right to push it to the left. Why is the text folded up? Oh, because in the preview, I guess like the width that I set was not the right width. So like it's not folded up in the actual like shop. Like it's fine in the shop, but in the preview, like I need to like set custom sizes just for the preview. And so I guess like the font size is too big. Yeah, so I gotta like, I don't really care too much about how it looks in like the preview, but mainly like in the actual, like once it's used in the big shop view, that's kind of like the main thing, because this will be what shows up like in the actual app. Yeah, I just kind of like ignore it in this view. Yeah, I mean ideally I could do this like I could do minimum scale factor, and I could set this like 0.5, and then oh, I guess that doesn't work for this. Oh, thank you for the follow, Mr. Boone. But yeah, in the preview it doesn't matter all too much, as long as it's not folded up in like the full app view. Yeah. Well, let's see. So we gotta figure out how to like make this spacer stuff work out. So what have we got going on? So this spacer we need, yeah, so when we put the spacer here, I think it like made this go away. Let me actually, I'll do another H stack here, and we'll mess with this top arrow first. This like right arrow. So if we put a spacer here, where does that go? Oh, wait, that's actually in the right place. Okay. And then if we do for the left arrow, yeah, okay, so then if I did that, Okay, now the buy button isn't moving around. I think it's pretty good actually. So yeah, maybe just make the arrows a bit smaller, or maybe this rectangle, this dividing rectangle, I can make less wide. Yeah, I think I can do that. So yeah, actually I might put like a comment here, just for like, this is a left arrow, this is actually right arrow, and this one is the left arrow. Cool. I'm gonna make this rectangle in between smaller, so it's not like this triangle's like touching it. Yeah, it's a bit too close. Yeah, so let me decrease this width. I have it like 48, maybe better. Oh, but it's like, it's pushing out towards it. Okay. Oh, that's because of the spacer. Yeah, so if I set a custom width on the spacer, so like, yeah, so for the right arrow, I would need like frame width, whatever width we're passing in, divided by like 1.1, like very slight. Ooh, okay, maybe that's too big. Maybe I can make it like the width of the buy button plus a little bit. So that would be like this width. Yeah. And then ooh, okay, wait. So this is buy button width. And then yeah, what do we want for our... Wait, we want it to be like offset a little bit more. So what if I make this like a 4 or something? Divided by 4. Or 2? Or 1.5? I'm gonna eyeball it. 1.3. Or 1.75. 1.6. I think this is somewhat okay. Yeah. How about this? 1.5 or 1.52. Okay. I'm a little okay with this. Yeah. I think we need a height here too. So select weapon view size dot height. Yeah, that's too big. I'm just gonna let it infer the height. Yeah. And then we'll do the same for this spacer. Alright. Oh wait, actually, we need the spacer, I think, inside the if statement. Yeah. And same for this one. Yeah. Alright. Why not try H-stack buy arrow? Oh yeah, we don't have it in here because it won't like center it. I mean, we could put all this in the same H-stack, but then it kind of like pushes the arrow a little bit. So if we keep it like on a separate like Z level, then it'll automatically center it. Yeah, that's kind of why we try it. Yeah. Yeah, because with the separate Z's, then it does less. Oh, I guess it's still like pushing it though. I think it's because of our spacers. It's a little off. Try hidden to arrow. Yeah, we're trying to like hide the arrows based on like what weapon we're looking at. So like when we're on the sword, we hide the right arrow, and the stick, we hide the left one. But yeah, it looks like we are running into a bug with some of the spacing. Yeah, so we kind of want like let me try something. So if I add like another element to this list, let's copy the sword and put it here, and then same for like the bow. We'll copy this. So now we should have like 2 arrows in one case. Yeah. So we kind of want to keep this keep the same width. Yeah, it's like it's doing some weird stuff. It's like I think this is fine, like the right and then the middle, but then with the left, it's like pushing it. Yeah, so we gotta like gotta figure out how to not like push it on the left. Yeah, so what are we doing there? Let's see. So cause this is fine. It's like it doesn't move when it's this. Let's see what happens in the shop view actually. In our shop view, it does move it a little bit. Ever so slightly. Yeah. Let's see. So yeah, it's a bit off on our actual like upgrades view. Yeah. I kind of want more space in between them though. What can I do? Oh, I see what you mean, Boone. Like hide the arrow, but like keep the same width? Something like that. Instead of actually like make the arrow go away, but like give it a 0 opacity. I think, okay. Yeah, that's a good idea. So keep them in the same H stack, but just make the opacity 0. Like hide it like in the sense that it's still on the screen, but like invisible. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, let me try that. So instead of having like spacers do the weird stuff, we'll just keep them in the same H stack. Yeah, that'll be good. Yeah, so we'll move this in here. Yeah. And then also for this one, and take out this if statement. And then I guess we can take out this H stack. Yeah. Yeah, that makes more sense. And then yeah, so it'll still oh, yeah, I think we did it too much. We aren't hiding it yet. But if we hide it, then it should be fine. So if we do like opacity, and then we can do our logic where we had like, if we're on the leftmost index, we set the opacity to 0. So that'll be weapon detail index equals 0. Then we set our opacity to 0. Otherwise, we make it 1. Yeah. See, now it's not moving. Oh, that's pretty nice. And then we do this with the weapon details array count -1. All right. Yeah, that's much better. Nice. Now we're not like moving around and stuff. Cool. And then in our shop view, that should also be all right. Cool. Awesome. Yeah, I guess this is actually pretty good. Now we just need to implement like, I guess some buying, and although actually I want some more padding on the bottom here. It's like flush with the bottom. Let's move it up a little bit. like this buy and the arrows, let's move them up. And then the melee text needs to be going down a little bit. Yeah, let's do both of those. So, yeah, we want some, there's a Z stack here. Actually, we don't need this Z stack anymore. Because we're putting everything on the same Z level. Yeah, that should be alright. And this might actually also give us our padding that we wanted. And then, what do we want? So we want padding on the text on the top. Yeah, let's see. What are we going on here? Yes, you still need this padding on the bottom here. Yeah, then it looks like that one padding isn't working. Yeah, this one I don't think is doing anything. Yeah, let's see. So we can put padding on, what would this work maybe? Let's see. In our shop view. Nah, still not putting the padding where we want it. Let's see. Let us see. So, looks like this isn't working for the padding. Let's put it on, this is a weapon column view. Let's put it, I guess on each of these. It's like, let's put one here and one here. Let's see, how does this look? Oh, I see. It's not like affecting anything. I think because maybe our frame is already like filled up in that sense. Yeah. Let's see. So let's get rid of this padding. Yeah. So we don't want it there. Let's see. I think our height is like too much or something. Yeah. So what if instead of height divided by 2 here, we make it like 2.1? Ever so slightly smaller. Then maybe we have enough space for padding. Yeah, okay, it brought our melee and range text down, but still, this is not being pushed out. I think maybe we have some padding between the green box and the buy button that we can decrease. I think so. Yeah. So, let's see, where are we controlling that? That's here. So what if we take out this padding? Yeah, this might be better. I can decrease the padding on the top. Okay. Yeah, I think this is a little better. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. And then they can choose to buy or select each of these. Yeah, I think that'll be good. Cool. And yeah, I might implement the buying and the selecting later. Because I want to do that like when I add the data for the player, like all at once. I think that will be better. So yeah, because one of the data items that the player will have will be like what upgrades have they bought, like what melee upgrades, what ranged upgrades, and then also like what skins they bought. Yeah, and then I guess like how many gems they have. Like I'll add that all at once. But yeah, for now, I think this UI is good. Yeah, so that's good. Yeah, we didn't go like the horizontal scroller route. We went with these arrows, but I think that's a little better for what we want. But yeah, now let's do the skins. So yeah, how do we want to do the skins actually? yeah, I wanted to do this thing with the rainbow skins, where like you have little circles to select what color of Yippee you want, and then scroll between that and like the actual other skins. Yeah, maybe I should draw it out. I think that'll be better. Yeah, let me show this. So for our Yippee, for our skins view, let me show kind of what I'm planning for the skins. So this is the upgrades, but for the skins, I'll do something a little different. Yeah, let me show what I'm kind of planning for the skins. So here's what our UI looks like right now. Oh yeah, it's also kind of hard to draw with my trackpad. I don't use a mouse on my Mac. I use this trackpad. Yeah. Let me also put it like side by side with the current UI. I think that might be better to kind of show. Yeah. So, yeah, here's what we've kind of got going on right now. They've got like here's our UI, and it's got like shop here. And then we've got a little gem thing here with the number of gems we have. We've got a back button. And then we've got our actual like shop tab view that we have down here. With little tabs. Yes, our little app UI. Yep. I've got like little text shown here for our different tabs, and then for our skins tab, here's what we're gonna wanna do. So we have like different rainbow color skins, like different color skins for our player. So we got like our little Yippee player here with his nice little Yippee face. Indeed. Ooh, he's got a black eye. Here's our little Yippee. And then, so we want like, I wanted to do this with like different color skins. Like each of these represents like a color that you could buy for your skin. Like maybe like red or blue. You can select one of these dots, and you can choose here to like buy or select. This will say like buy if you don't have it already. Otherwise it'll say select. Yeah. And then maybe I should do the arrow approach again, where you choose an arrow and it'll show the next skin. And I have like a cosmic skin. So I think that'll be good. Yeah. And then maybe I'll put like the text here if it's not like these little buttons. So it'll be like our cosmic skin. Yeah, I think that'll be good. That should be pretty nice. Yeah. So, yeah, that'll be good. Yeah, let's go ahead and get on implementing with this. So, we will make another view for this. We'll call it, I suppose we'll call it a skins view. I think that makes as much sense as any. I'll make a skins view. First thing we'll do is make this landscape left. Yeah. And now, here we'll implement our skins view. So, I suppose for that, what we want to do is start out with the Yippee image. So, yeah, let's do a Yippee and make it resizable. That's a very wide Yippee. maybe we'll pass in a size too. I think we did that for the upgrades in the gems view. Yeah, select weapon view size. Gems view, I think we also had a size here. Row size, okay. Oh yeah, we had gems view size here, so we'll do the same for our skins view. Allocate like a certain size that we want. I think so. Yeah, so we'll save our skins view size, and we'll pass in a CG size, and then we'll need one here then. So here's what we'll say. This will be a CG size, and we'll say this will be for testing for our preview. We'll say the width of the screen, and I guess like the height of the screen, maybe like offset a bit. I forget what we actually made our player size in the game. Let's see, where do we set that? So we have create player somewhere here. Here we go. We set it to the width of the screen divided by 6. And the height of this, oh no, wait, that's position. For size, where do we set size? Oh, okay, width divided by 10. Okay, let's do that for this. Like divided by 10 for the width and height. Yeah, let's do that. Should be kind of like more square. Oh yeah, and then we'll set the frame here. So this will be, oh actually, this is the whole view size, but not our mini Yippee size. Yeah. A resizable aspect. Oh yeah, you're right. An aspect fit. Yeah, that might be better. Yeah. So fit. Oh yeah, that is much better. Yeah, thanks, Spoon. And then maybe make it a bit smaller too. So while we have it as an aspect ratio fit, we can set the width, I'm thinking. So like the width can be whatever width we're passing in, maybe divided by like 10. Oh wait, but now we've got that's quite a thin Yippee. Let's see, so maybe or can we do it where like maybe we can pass the frame after we do the aspect ratio fit. Oh yeah, that is much better. Cool. And then let's actually give it the whole screen width and height, and then make this divided by 10. Yeah, that's better. Cool. Nice. Maybe a little bigger for like if we want to select a certain skin. So maybe like 5. Yeah. And then here's what I want to do. I want to whatchamacallit, have these little buttons below it to select different colors, and then have some arrows, and well, actually another purchase button or like buy button below. Yeah, so let's see. I suppose what we can do is we can copy this H stack over to our other thingamajig. Yeah, that should be all right. And we'll have a V stack here. Yeah, that should be good. Cool. We just need to I guess we need an index for the skin. So state var skin index, make this 0. And we will change that here. That should be all right. Oh, and then I suppose we need like a skins array or something. Yeah, this can be skin view size instead of our weapon size. Yeah. That should be alright. So then we might just have an error here. Oh yeah, and here too. So let's see. Right, this should be skin index. So if our skin index is 0, yeah, otherwise we'll say, what do we want to do? Let's see. So let's say we want a skin array. I think that'll be fine. Have a skin array. So yeah, let's pass in an array of skins. So yeah, I suppose we'll want a struct for skins. Actually, maybe I should be putting all these separate variables into a models folder. I don't know. Maybe that's kind of overkill. Because it's pretty local to this file. Yeah, let's make a skins array. And let's say skin name. Alright, well we have name here. I guess it's fine. Yeah, I guess it's okay. And then we'll want to pass in an array of skins. So skins, we'll pass in an array of skins. Or this will be a skin actually, singular. Yeah. And then here, we'll pass in an array of skins. So skin of name, we'll have our cosmic Yippee. And then we'll have I suppose like a red Yippee. Yeah. Red Yippee. I think I called it Yippee Red. Yeah, Yippee Red. And then we have... Where's our cosmic Yippee? Oh, Yippee Cosmic. Yeah. So these are like our skins actually. Yeah, so we've got different colors. Got this cosmic one. So for the different like solid colors, I want them to be part of the same view. But you just like select little dots to choose between the color. But then you use the arrows to go between the color ones and then the like cosmic one. And I'll add some more too. But yeah, that's what I'm planning for this. Yeah, that should be alright. Yeah, so this will be Yippee Red with 2 P's. This is Yippee Cosmic. Yeah. And then I think what's it saying? Oh, our skins argument needs to go before. Yeah, so let's do that. Skins, comma, this. All right. Oh, can't find skins. Oh, that was an extra copy. And then this, we need a skins.count, -1. All right, now let's see what we've got working with. Oh, did I draw it myself? Oh, not this little creature. Yeah, this Yippee creature is based on like a, I don't know, kind of like a meme or something. Yeah, so the Yippee I kind of stole from the interwebs, but I made it, like I colored the actual Yippies to different colors. And yeah, most of the advanced assets, like the slingshot, and then I guess like the background, the ground, or like the different squares and stuff. I used a very, I don't know if it's like frowned upon, but I used some AI for that. A soul artist. Yeah, well, I use like AI and Photoshop. So kind of like a combination between the two to get these. But yeah, I made all the assets myself. Yeah, besides this Yippee here, which I kind of pulled from the interwebs. But yeah, everything else I made using either like AI or Photoshop or both. Yeah, like the buttons I made without AI. Like these I just made in Photoshop. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know. I try to be cheap, so I try to make everything myself. That's why I do it. But yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. I was gonna make a launch screen with my logo. I was gonna do that. Maybe I should do that now. Yeah, let me make the launch screen. Yeah, I'll do that. Let me make the launch screen. I've done that for UIKit apps, but I'm not sure for SwiftUI how to do it. It should be pretty simple though. It's like a very quick launch screen. Oh, I see. So I can make like a new file, I think, and call it. Oh yeah, there's a launch screen file. Remind me of my younger self. Hey, I'm glad I can get that nostalgia. Yeah, making stuff is fun. That's why I do the thing, because I like it. It's fun to make stuff. Yeah, let's see, for this launch screen. SwiftUI doesn't rely on this. Let's see. I need to add this UI launch screen. Let's see. So launch screen background. Yeah, I'm looking up like a launch screen tutorial for SwiftUI because I've never done a launch screen for SwiftUI. Let me show this. Yeah, let's show the launch screen tutorial. So yeah, basically, yeah, for UIKit it doesn't rely on storyboard anymore, so we kind of have to set it manually. So we need to do this. Oh, we already did this at the way beginning. But yeah, we need to make the launch screen. I set it in our P list. Yeah. And then what else? Let's see. So we need background color. We don't need that. Image name. Yeah, that's kind of what we want. Init with an image. Yeah. Launch screen. Okay. And then image respects safe area. Okay. Oh, and I want it to stretch to fill the screen. Yeah. To fill the tab bar with an image. Okay. I don't want a toolbar for the launch screen. Yeah. Oh, you're working for TikTok. Oh, that's cool. Oh, dang, that's pretty cool. Yeah, well, yeah, software engineering can be quite a... yeah, and my day job as well is software engineer. And it's, I don't know, when you're building stuff for other people, for companies, and it's a bit like, I don't know, there's not much creativity there. That's why I like to build my own stuff too. That way it's a little better that way, I think. Now, yeah, when you're building just for someone else, then there's not much say in like what you can build. So yeah, I feel the same way. Yeah, that's interesting. You're working for TikTok. I wonder what you think about all this. Like, I heard they were gonna ban it in the US. I was like, whoa. Yeah, I think I don't get why they want that, but yeah, that's a bit weird. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I totally feel what you mean though. Yeah, building stuff for someone else is definitely different than building stuff for yourself. Yeah, because when I build my apps, then I have like all the control over what to build, so it's more fun that way. Yeah. Also, I'm gonna go to the. Oh yeah, my I was frozen there for a bit. I'm good now. Yeah. Let's see. So, yeah, how do we do the launch screen? Can I make this like landscape and then? Yeah, I can just set the image here, right? I think so. Yeah, it's been a while since I've used Storyboard. I used to write everything in Storyboard. How do I make this like landscape right? Let's see. I guess I can add an image view. Oh yeah, wow. It's been a while. Oh, I'm glad. Yeah. Oh, I like playing games too. Yeah. I did some gaming streams, but it's been a minute. Yeah, right now I'm doing this app, and it was like part 10. Yeah, once I finish this app and get it on the App Store, I'm gonna play God of War. That'll be fun. That's my plan. But yeah, for now we're working on some other stuff. Let's see. I don't want this to be safe area. How do I change our constraints? Instead of safe area, I want like super view. Yeah. And then what else? Oh, there's like an offset. All right. And then so this will do our launch screen BG. Yeah, I'm gonna do this as my launch screen to like tag it with me. That'll be good. Make aspect scale to fill. It's a little stretched, but what if I stretch this up? I think that'll be okay. Yeah, how does this look on iPad? Ooh, wait, it's like pretty bad on iPad. Wait, why is that? Oh, because I didn't set the width and the height to be the same. Let's see. So, how do I do that? Launch screen width equals width. I think it's because of the offset, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna redo the width and the height constraints. And then, yeah, we'll make this equal widths and heights. I forget how I did this, so multiplier need to be 1, I think. And same for this. Yeah. Then update this. Okay. A little better. Scale aspect fill. Oh yeah, scale to fill. Yep. Definitely. And then for aspect fill. Oh. Yeah, scale to fill is worse. Yeah, aspect fill's better. Nice. Yeah, thanks Boodin. That's much better. And then for iPhone, how's this looking? Yes, this is good. This is good. Nice. Now we just gotta set it in our P list, I think. Yeah, so wherever we do that. Let's see. We do a plus here. We can do launch screen, launch image. There's a couple of options. You already entered launch screen. Oh, wait, so there's a launch screen value here. Let me delete this then. There must be already here. Oh, how do I delete this? Oh, okay, I got rid of it. Yeah, here we go. There's already a launch screen here. UI launch screen. What are we missing? Oh, also, I'm gonna, yeah, I'm gonna go to the Shadow Realm for a bit. My tracking is a bit delayed. I'll go to the Shadow Realm for ever so slightly amount. Yes, I'll be away. PRB. I'm invisible. Where'd I go? I'll be back. Momentarily. As I visit the Shadow Realm. Let's see, so what have we got going on? Yeah, I don't know, what's this launch screen stuff? Let me do some back stuff. Alright. Better. I'm back. Yeah, I was like, it was delayed for a bit. I'm back though. Cool. Alright, yeah, let's set this launch screen. So, I think there's an image we can do, probably. Let's see, so, is there another option I can do here? I don't know. Image, name, theme, or can I set the launch screen to a file? Because I already have this here, this launch screen. Unless it already takes it. Let me see. So if I run this in my simulator, what'll it do? Let's see. Let me bring up the good old trusty simulator. Here we go. And then if I launch this, do we have... No, it's still white. It's not using our launch screen yet. So... yeah, let's see. What have we got going on? So... let us consult the Googles for why we're not seeing our launch screen file link up. I think it's something in our plist though. Yeah, something. UI launch screen. Yeah, I feel like we need to set... Oh, the settings is in the general tab? Oh, right, you're right. Yeah, I forgot to set this. Oh, here we go. Thanks, Spoon. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you've been a great help. Yeah, I forgot we need to set that in our general tab. Yeah, let's see. So maybe I don't even have to change the plist. I can just set that there, and then maybe it'll pick up the file. Oh yeah, it did. Yeah, let me show that again. Yeah, very cool. Awesome. Yeah, that's working pretty nicely now. Cool. Yeah, because in the future I wanna make more apps under this brand. Because I have my personal Apple account too, but I don't want to leak it. So yeah, we'll be doing more of this for sure. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Cool. Yeah, actually, so yeah, what have we got going on here? So we've got this going on with our upgrades view, looking pretty nice. Yeah, and our gems view. I just need to move this gem to the right. Yeah, I'll do that later. And then we're working on our skins view. I guess we can call skins view in our shop view here. Actually, it should be in our shop tab view. over here. Yeah. Skins view. And then skins and skin view size. Yeah, we'll pass in just this for now. Yeah. And then our skins will be, yeah, we'll pass in a skin of name. We'll put our cosmic, our Yippee cosmic. Yeah. See if it picks that up. Oh, it doesn't look like it. Oh, I think it's because we hard-coded it. Yeah, this should be... I guess for now we'll say skins of 0. Now we can see it in our shop. Oh, wait, it should be .name. Cool. And now we should be able to see our cosmic Yippee. Very cool, in all of his space glory. Cool. Yeah, we just need to finish this skins view, but actually I think we've been going on for a pretty good amount of time. I think I might wrap it up for now. But yeah, we've got some good stuff going on. We got like this melee and range stuff going on in our upgrades. We've got this for our gems view, and we're started on our skins view. We're almost done with the shop UI, and then we need to do some, like, I guess some configurations with data, and then make this use in-app purchases, which we need to configure in our Apple developer account, which I've yet to set up for this. I don't want to use my personal one, so I might have to pay Apple twice, give them a double yearly subscription. That'll drain my soul, but unnecessary evil. We'll do it. Why not? But yeah, for now, I think I'll wrap it up. I think it's been a very productive stream for sure. But yeah, it's been pretty good. I will probably finish this skins one in the next stream. I don't know, I feel like I should do more stream times, because I do like Friday and Saturdays. Or no, yeah, Fridays and Saturdays. But so the next stream time will be like in like a minute. It'll be like next Friday, but I don't know. I feel like I should do one before then. I'll see. Yeah, I'll fix some bugs off stream. I'll probably, yeah, I'll probably fix some of the gameplay bugs off stream, because I still want to do that. There's a lot of bugs here. Yeah, see, it like lags when it spawns stuff in. So I'm thinking on like reusing the same sprite node objects so it doesn't lag. I like preload all the textures and stuff, all the objects. That should reduce the lag. Yeah, so we'll probably fix that off stream, and then yeah, next stream we'll probably finish up the shop UI. That'll be pretty good. But yeah, with that, I will wrap it up there. So thank you for watching part 10 of building a Yippee mobile game. Yeah, got some good shop UI progress going, and it's pretty good. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed. We'll catch you on the flip side. Maybe I'll do a little cheeky raid. I was gonna watch Yuzu after this, so maybe we'll raid into her. So yeah, because she's doing some Elden Ring. I've got a new Elden Ring addiction. Yeah, especially because of the new DLC coming out. That's why I'm very addicted. Yeah, let's check out what she's doing. Yeah, let's go over. That should be pretty good. But yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you there. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Yeah, good night, Boone. Hope you liked. yeah, let's check out what Mrs. Yuzu's doing. Yeah, bye.